Etrack is a versatile tool that you can add to your trailer that will open up a world of cargo securement possibilities. Etrack is customizable, dependable, and easy to install. There are hundreds of accessories specifically made to attach to Etrack that will allow you to secure cargo in your trailer like never before. Today, we'll be taking a look at the Mytee Products Etrack jhook. It's a great accessory for your van, trailer, or anywhere you have Etrack installed. It fits into any standard Etrack fitting and gives you an extra hook for storage. Let's see how it works. Simply place the hook into your Etrack. Now, you can hang whatever you please from it. This hook is perfect for hanging wires, ropes, jackets, and more. Some of our customers install Etrack in their garage or workshop and use the hooks for storage space. Our full array of Etrack accessories provide more places for storage, allowing you to keep your trailer neat and organized. You can have all of your tools and equipment ready at a moment's notice. Haul safe, earn more. That's the Mytee Products way. To purchase your Etrack jhook or any other Etrack accessory, head on over to myteeproducts.com or call 1-888-705-8277.